Hello and welcome. We are discussing PYQs of number system and the theme is order of term. Now, what do we understand by this theme? Okay, suppose I have 24, 26 and 27. So I need to tell the people that which is the largest value over here. So obviously 27 is the largest value. Then next smallest is 26 and the final is 25. So this is called order of term. So in this theme, we're going to talk about which value is the largest, which value is the smallest. So let's move on to the questions. This question was there in CSAT 2022. It says, which number amongst 2 power 40, 3 power 21, 4 power 18 and 8 power 12 is the smallest? We are looking for the smallest out of these 4 given numbers. See, 2 power 40 cannot be represented in more shorter form because 2 itself is a prime number. So keeping this 2 power 40 as it is, the next given number is 3 power 21. I cannot simplify 3 power 21 anymore. Why? Because 3 is itself a prime number. Then 4 power 80, 2 power 40 as it is, 3 power 21 as it is. But 4 power 18 can be simplified further. Why? Because this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power 18. See, this 4 can be written as 2 power 2, 18 in the power. So this 18 separately in the power. Okay. Next term was 8 power 12. Now this 8 power 12 can be simplified further. Why? Because 8 is not, the base is not the prime number. So 8 is what? 2 cube. So this 8 can be replaced with the 2 cube. So 8 power of 12 will become 2 power 3 whole power 12. Now, this 2 power 40 as it is, 3 power 21 as it is, 2 power 36 and 2 power 36. Now I have to tell out of these 4 which one is the smallest. Now try to apply a very good logic over here. That logic is 2 power 36. If 2 power 36 is the smallest value, then this 2 power 36 and this 2 power 36, both of these values gonna be smallest at the same time. Which means 4 power 18 and 8 power 12, these both are the right answer. If these both are the right answer, then out of these 4 options, you have to mark option C as well as option D. But you know that out of 4 options, only one option is correct always. So the chances of this 2 power 36 to be the smallest value are negligible, or I can say it is 0. Because if 2 power 36 is the smallest value, then I gonna get 2 answers, and as per the logic of options, this is not the right way of marking. So 2 power 36 is not the smallest value. We have understood it. Now 2 power 40 and 2 power 36, pretty much obvious over here that 2 power 40 is the largest value. 2 power 36 cannot be the smallest value. If it is the case, then I gonna have 2 answers, right? So 2 power 36 is not the smallest case. Secondly, 2 power 40 is greater than 2 raised to power 36. 2 power 40 is greater than 2 to the power 36. So 2 power 40 cannot be the smallest value again. Hence, out of these 4 options, we are left out with only one option, which can be the right choice here, which is 3 power 21. So this is one way of answering the problem. Other way is, see, I have to check what kind of relationship is there between 3 power 21 and 2 power 36. Out of these two, which one is greater? Out of these two, which one is greater? Obviously 3 2 power 36 must be greater. Why? Why? Let me tell you one thing. I know 2 is greater than, or 2 I know 3 is greater than 2. If 3 is greater than 2, then 3 to the power 12 and 2 to the power 12. 3 to the power 12 must be greater than 2 to the power 12. Okay. Now, if I divide both of these values by 2, so 3 power 12 by 2 will become 6. 2 power 12 by 2 will become 2 power 6. So again, this 3 power 6 gonna be the greater value. So if you divide 2 power by same values, 2 power by same values, your order of inequality will not change. Similarly, in this case, if I divide this 21 and this 36 by 3, so it becomes 3 power 21 by 3, it becomes 2 power 36 by 3 power 21 by 3 becomes 3 power 7, 2 power 36 by 3 becomes 2 power 12. Now 3 power 20, 3 power 7, if you multiply 3 7 times, what you gonna get? If you multiply 3 7 times, you gonna get 2187. What will be the answer if you multiply 2 12 times? Your answer gonna be 4096. So out of 2187 and 4096, which one is greater? 4096 is greater, which means 2 power 12 is greater, which means 2 power 36 upon 3 is greater, which means 2 power 36 is greater. Now I know 2 power 36 is greater than 3 power 21, and we have verified already that 2 power 40 is greater than 2 power 36. Okay, so now we can easily say that 3 raised to the power 21 is the smallest value. Hence option B is the right choice. Let's move on to the next problem now. See, it says let P, Q, R and S be the natural number such that P minus 2016 equal to Q plus 2017 equals to R minus 2018 equal to S plus 2019. So whenever sign of equality is present multiple times, then consider this whole thing to be equal to another variable, let's say K. Now P minus 2016 equal to sign is present, again equal to sign is present, so I can say P minus 2016 is equals to K, which implies P is equals to K plus 2016. Now Q plus 2017 is equals to, see, equal to sign, so Q plus 2017 is equals to K, which implies Q is equals to K minus 2017. Similarly, R minus 2018 is equals to K, which implies R is K plus 2018, and finally S plus 2019 is equals to K, which implies S is equals to K minus 2019. Okay, now we have to find which one of the following is the largest natural number. We are looking for the largest natural number. Now see, please pay attention to this P and Q. If we add something to K, then we are getting the value of P. Value of Q is K minus something. So obviously P should be greater than Q. Suppose K was 2. So P will become 2 plus 216 and Q will become 2 minus 270. See, we are adding something to 2. So addition of two number, we are adding something to 2, and in the second case we are subtracting something from 2. So obviously P should be the greater value. Now the next, see. Now K plus 18. P was K plus 216. In P, we were adding 216 to K, and in R, we are adding 218 to K. 218 is the larger value as compared to 216. So, R will be the larger value as compared to P. Done. And finally, see, we were subtracting 217 in case of Q and 219 in case of S. In case of S, we are subtracting larger number. Hence, S will be smaller than Q. See, suppose Q is K minus 2017 and S is K minus 2019. Suppose K was 2020. So if K is 2020, then 2020 minus 217 is what? 3. And S is 2020 minus 219 is what? 1. See, 1 is smaller than 3. So in case of S, we are subtracting a larger value from K. Hence, S should be the smaller number. So this is the order of terms in this case. And over here you can see R is the largest value. Hence, option C is the right choice. I hope guys you have understood it. Okay. Now let's move on to the next case. See, in this case, what is the largest number among the following? 1 by 2 equal to minus 6. Whenever there is negative in the power, so you will reverse the fraction. So 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 6 becomes 2 to the power 6, and 2 to the power 6 is what? 64. 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 3 is there, so you will reverse this fraction. So it becomes 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 is what? 64. This will become 3 to the power 4, which is 81. This will become 6 to the power 2, which is 36. So out of 64, 81 and 36, 81 is the largest value. Hence, option C is the right choice. We were looking for the largest value. Hence, option C is the right choice. I hope guys you have understood these 3 problems properly. So this is it for the video. We'll meet you in the next. Till then, please take care and bye-bye.